Cohabitation, establishing a safe and healthy living environment for human and nature in Dalian. After the week of global pandemic, people want to figure out how people get disease. Some science research center and the media point out that viruses may come from nature and infect animals pass viruses to humans. According to the World Health Organization, 75% of new infection diseases are zoonotic. There are two methods how infect animals transmitted to humans. Firstly, directly contact or through contaminated air, water, and food used by infected animals. So it's crucial that create a healthy, stable eco-environment for nature and human. However, because of human activities such as logging, mining, urbanization, the habitat area is reducing down to the habitat fragmentation. Moreover, this situation could result in reducing natural barrier between human and animals. It means that may bring people close to some species that almost never touch. Therefore, this behavior could promote an ideal condition for the spread of disease and finally resulting in global pandemic. Establishing a cohabitation space for nature by protecting local flora and fauna, providing stable ecosystem in order to form a safe and healthy living environment for humans, which could be beneficial reducing the possibility of global epidemic. So I select my hometown Dalian to explore the relationship between human and nature. Because of special landform in Dalian, the hill, high ecological value habitats located on the mountain area. At the same time, the residential area also was built closer with these mountains as a relative flat area. Before 2004, some residents found the sick deer appear in the eastern mountain area, and they started to feeding this animal from this time. Only 37 sick deer were found in this area. After 16 years, the number of population of sick deer reached to the 200 and form a community in this area. However, because of urbanization, the sick deer is trapped in the eastern mountain area, cannot access to the western mountain area, so at this stage, it's crucial that constructing habitats for this animal in the future. So I select the Bayou Mountain Park in the Eastern Mountain area as my site. There are three potential user groups in the future: sick deer, residents, and tourists. Because there are residence area, school, library, and hospital located around the park, the residents often use this park as daily access site. Also, the transportation network, including highway, tunnel, main road, and secondary road, which is convenient for people access into the park from different areas in Dalian. The longest time of reaching the site is only 1 hour by car. Using public transportation such as bus, subway, the longest time of reaching the site is 2 hours. This is topography of the Bayou Mountain Park. It's clear that there is a deep slope in the boundary between the mountain area and the residential area, referred to the green color area in the picture. There is a no fence, a deep vertical slope up to more than 1.70 meters height. It's dangerous for sick deer if they move wrong direction, resulting in the accident falling into the residential area. So it's crucial that build protection zone for this animal in this area. I analyzed the usage situation of each group. Firstly, the sick deer. Based on the informal conservation and observation, there is an original feeding station for people experiencing feeding activity, and there are clear footprints appear along this area. Significantly, footprints appear close to the people walking route, which means that the sick deer could use people route to move around this area. However, after the COVID-19, the original feeding station was stopped use, and the sick deer could find food by themselves. This is the usage map of residents. There are two purposes of residents using this area. Firstly, do in daily exercise, walking, jogging. Another is provide a conveniently shortcut transportation for people accessing to the another areas by using these routes. Most walking routes constructed by concrete close to the vegetation area. This is the usage map of tourists. Most people who firstly come this place could choose clear entrance points, for example nearby library or main road. Currently, the park provides viewing platform in the higher area, providing a panoramic views for people enjoying scenery in this area. This is a co-habitation system I propose. The cicadea as a starting point from a local ecosystem by habitats local vegetation community and another animals in order to provide a stable and healthy environment for residents. Because of the surrounding context, the park could be divided into three parts: human activities, interactive activities, and natural habitat area. In the south part, there is a large mountain area with high ecological value. Constructing habitat corridor connect and get the cicadea to the large matrix in the future. However, a large number of residence areas are located on the east part, creating more spaces for residents and tourists when they use this park, such as camping area, educational space, and the outdoor museum. Moreover, applying step activities area with seating and green space to ease the deep slope of the terrain in the boundary between the mountain and the residential area. Additionally, building 15 meters wide protection zone to form a suitable social relationship between cicadea and the people. So this park is expected that building a cohabitation space for cicadea vegetation and people living in harmony in the future.